Right, so one thing I just forgot to record on day 15 or whatever, didn't even think about it to be honest, was try to fix this up. Very hillbilly face. Freaking used some rope under there to just levy it up tall enough. I mean, he can completely jank, but I think good enough to mow the lawn. I also tried to inflate the tire since one was completely dead. Don't know if it's good enough. It's a bit too wet today. Well, weather is glorious, but lawn's wet. And it's probably the last cut, my first cut of the year. I'd probably keep cutting it if we lived here yet, but we don't.